In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from a video in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can separate the audio from your video clip with confidence. Start by opening your Canva project, the one that already contains your video. Once you're in, navigate to the page or slide where that video lives. If you're working with multiple pages, use the page thumbnails on the side to jump straight to the right one so you don't edit the wrong clip by accident. Now, click directly on the video on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You should see a highlight or bounding box around it. This is important because the next option only appears when Canva recognizes you're working with a video element and not a background or another graphic. With the video selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Extract Audio. Depending on your device and Canva's interface updates, the wording may be similar, but look specifically for the option that mentions extracting or separating the audio. As soon as you select Extract Audio, look toward the bottom of your screen at the timeline. Canva will add a new audio layer directly beneath your video layer. That's the audio that was inside your video, now placed on its own track. If your timeline area is minimized, Canva will typically expand it automatically, but if not, hover at the bottom and make sure the timeline is visible so you can see the new layer. You'll notice the audio layer aligns with your video on the same page, which helps keep everything in sync. This extraction doesn't delete or remove the video. It simply creates a dedicated audio track so you can view and manage it separately if needed. If you don't immediately see the audio layer, double-check that you right-click the video itself and give Canva a moment to process, especially on longer clips. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to the page with your video, right-click the video, and choose Extract Audio. The new audio layer will appear below, confirming the audio has been separated from the clip. This quick workflow is reliable, easy to repeat across different pages, and makes handling your video's sound much clearer inside the timeline. If Canva's interface changes over time, the option will remain in that same right-click menu when the video is selected, and the extracted audio will always show up as a dedicated layer below.